Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. But before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, back to today's EA called Bullion Logic and is a MetaTrader 5 expert advisor built specifically for gold, that is gold USD, by Stephen Battles from Australia. His price sits at $299 with some winter options like 1 month for $39 and 3 months for $89. I will be using the free demo for a backtest. Now, it was published recently at on August, that's this month, at the time of recording, 2026, as some days back. Now let's walk through what the developer actually says on the MPL5 page. Now looking at the product page, the developer describes it as an automated system that uses multiple rule-based trading modules to find opportunities on gold. It handles entries, manage basket exposure, and has emergency account protection built in. The idea is you don't have to sit and watch charts all day, and is made for traders who want a structured gold trading system that just runs. Now they are clear that I can open additional positions inside an active trade basket when its programmed conditions are met, and because of that, they classify it as a grid style system. Now, one important point to note is that it does not use progressive martingale lot multiplication, so the trade volume stays under the risk settings. Filter basket filters or basket limits and total volume controls you set. That is the core of how they say it works. Modules fire on closed bars, positions can build into a basket, and the basket gets managed into a group or gets managed as a group. Now let's go to how it runs. Like I said before, gold USD. It runs on the M1 time frame with a recommended hedging account type and a leverage of 1:100 or higher. It automatically picks up the chart symbol, so it should handle common gold suffixes like gold USD plus or gold USD.I without extra work. Now, if you are looking on how to install it, you can install it directly through the MetaTrader 5 market. Then open the broker's gold chart, select the M1 time frame, attach it to the chart, and enable algo trading. I'll show you how I did that. I'll show you my backtest results. Let's look at the claim. If we look over here, we can see the claim 705 total trades, 10k starting balance for a period of 2 years or 1.5 year, January 2024 to June 2026, and a net profit of $31,000. That has a win rate of 82.27 and a profit factor of 5.66. Now, keep this in mind as we're going to compare it with my own results. This is the same gold USD M1 time period, everything they mentioned before. Let's move over to my results. Now, if you see, my setup is similar in the gold USD and M1 time period of 2025 August to 2026 August. 1:100 leverage and a 10k starting deposit. Now, based on historical performance, it shows a total net profit of about $21,000. Profit factor came in at 5.73 roughly 503 trades taken. Now remember, I told you to remember those numbers. So we see my profit factor matches theirs. You can see is a bit, the claim is realistic to an extent. Let's proceed. Balance drawdown 1.919 and equity drawdown is relatively higher at 37.79. Looking over the loss and profit numbers, you can see 320 for largest profits and largest loss fell under at 235. Average profits 61, average loss 52, still under. You can see that both the largest profit and average profits are higher than the largest loss and average losses respectively. Let's go over to the equity curve. It was a pretty steady climb for the balance. As you can see here, although we had some dips in equity, which reflected in the drawdowns. In the equity drawdown you saw, although we had some recovery too. And the recovery factor, like I showed you before, sat at 2.81 and the Sharpe ratio at 10.4. And comparing all this to the developer's claim, we can see similarities. And see it matches to a degree or to an extent. Uh, so the grid style behavior without progressive martingale matches what you see in the results. Higher equity drawdown, while balance stays cleaner. Like you see here, it matches, possibly because we use the same time period to a degree. Now the high win rate and strong profit factor line up with a system that mostly worked with directional bias. Gold hard in that period. The emergency protection and lot controls are the kind of things that keep the damage contained in the tester. Though of course life conditions change everything. Now realistic take, honestly, this is a controlled grade on gold. The thing is, greed loves when price comes back or trends in the preferred direction. In a strong move against the basket or during new spike when spreads blow out, the floating equity drawdown can get uncomfortable fast even if the emergency stop eventually kicks in. Now broker feeds, spreads, and slippage will affect it more than the clean tester number suggests. So results are based purely on historical performance, and past numbers don't promise anything going forward. And who is it actually for? Traders who already understand basket risk on gold, have a decent account size, and can live with equity swings in the 25 to 35% range in exchange for the recovery style. You might consider it. Maybe you prefer a single trade system with hard stops, or you're on a tight prop firm equity rule. This probably isn't the right fit. And that's the breakdown, folks. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget the free robots with the indicators and candlestick patterns linked in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.